Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is our leaders. So let's talk about it. Several great leaders were part of India's freedom struggle. Their valuable contribution was instrumental in obtaining freedom. Some of these leaders are discussed here. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was born on 19 November 1835 in Kasi, Varanasi, to Moropant and Bhagirathi Bai. She married Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi, in 1842. She studies self-defense, horsemanship and archery. This became the Rani of Jhansi and was given the name of Lakshmibai. Gangadhar Rao did not have a natural heir and adopted the Damodar Rao as his son. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. He was a scholar of Indian history, Sanskrit, Hinduism, mathematics and astronomy. He was against Western education because he left it did not respect Indian culture and values. Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nandia, Gujarat. He was father of Javeri Bhai, was in army of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. Patel reorganized the civil service. He founded the Indian Administration Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service and other government service. He was known as the Iron Man of the India. He died in 1950. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad to Aghor Nath Chattopadhyay and Vandana Sundari Devi. Her father was the linguistic scientist and philosopher. Founded Nizam College in Hyderabad. Her mother was a poet. Sarojini studied in the King's College, London and later Girton College, Cambridge. She married Dr. Govindraj Lu Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was one of the most prominent leaders of the Congress. She was a poet and spoke many languages. Some of her important works are The Golden Threshold and The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing, The Feather of Dawn. Sarojini Naidu was called Bharat Kokila, the Nightingale of India. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1897 to an affluent Bengali family in Cuttack, Odisha. He, also known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, was fierce freedom fighter. He was elected president of INC in 1938 to 1939. So let's talk about facts about our leaders. Number 1. Lakshmibai refused to accept the doctrine of lapse imposed by the British government. Number 2. Lakshmibai Peace, also known as the Rani Mahal, has now been covered into a museum. Number 3. Tilak was one of the first to maintain that Indians should cease to cooperate with foreign rules. Number 4. Sardar Patel was the senior leader of the Indian National Congress. After independence, he became India's first Deputy Prime Minister. Number 5. Patel joined the Gandhi non-cooperation movement and travelled around the West India to recruit the 3 lakh members. He also collected more than rupees 1.5 million for the party funds. Kids, what was the Azad Hind Fauj? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about our leaders. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, or also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you.